that time again where radiators don't seem to be getting hot. So this is your temperature valve. So obviously on 5 is maximum heat, and then you can turn that down to basically off, or 1, 2, whatever you want. Now to undo this, you've got a little ring around there. So give that a move like that. There you go, that comes off. If you open a jar of jam, you can take one of these off. And then all it does is when you turn that, little platform goes up and down inside that little bit there, and it pushes down on your valve. Now this one is stuck, and I cannot push that at all, it's solid. So we're going to give it a little tap. Let me give it a tap on there as well now. I think we've just got that one nice and free. Yeah, there we go. So that moves now. But that was solid before. So that's good, that's moving. Let's give it a push with that. There you go. So sometimes during the summer they just get stuck, that's all. So we'll leave that off for a second and start feeling through this radiator. Hopefully these pipes will start getting warm. Yeah, I can just feel a little bit of warmth coming in here now. So that's good, that's gonna fill up. And your radiator be nice and warm then. Make sure this is loose as well on this side. Quite often I've seen these being turned off and that won't work. You need to turn that left, so left is loose. So that is starting to warm up now, very slowly, but it is getting there. So that means this is all freed off now. Happy with that, so this will go back on. This literally just sits on top there like that, and just give it a little push. And then you can just tighten that back up, like so. And you can see what I've done. I'm trying to look on the video. Get it so this bit is pointing towards you, then you know what it's on. There we go. Just trying to do it one-handed while filming. So there we go, that's nice and tight. That now operates fine, and a lot of people seem to think you need to buy new ones of these when you don't. It's literally just stuck. One of these, or a little hammer, just tapping on it, tapping all around here, making it all nice and free. And that'll fix your heat in that radiator. You may want to also just bleed it as well, so you need to get hold of a key like so. And it's on the other side on this one. So you just give it a little turn. Got a rag down there. Give it a little turn and stick the rag in there like that. Again, try and do it one-handed. So you can get these from any sort of DIY shop. Put that in there. Give that a little turn. Don't know if you can see, but water is dripping out of there now, so that's good. Just give that a little tighten, not too much, don't want to break anything on that. And there you go. That is now starting to get nice and warm. Job done.